Channel. So in this video, as all you can see, I'm in Royal High, the intergalactic trading hub. Okay, so guys, in case you guys didn't know, I play Royal High as a secondary game. My main game is still Adopt Me, but I still like to play Royal High. You guys can see that my level is 78. Okay, the grind is real. I had to grind a lot for this. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to level up in Royal High super fast. So you guys can see that if you go like to the teleport, there's like the trading hub, but if you're under level 75 you cannot go there. So I'm going to tell you guys how to like level up super fast today. So let's start. Okay, so I'll tell you guys what happened with me. So on average I usually leveled up like 4 levels a day because I'm more focused on my Adopt Me builds than this. So that's why it took me like a month or a little less, but I'm going to tell you guys how to get to level 75 in like 20 days or something like that. So I'll tell you guys a funny story. What happened was, when I joined Royal High, I literally had no clue what was happening. I had no clue how to get to my apartment. There was like, I was in the lobby and I was so surprised that how do I get in my apartment. And there was like this random girl. I asked her that, can you please tell me how to get to my apartment? Then she told me. So I'm going to tell you, that's why I didn't really level up as fast, but I don't want you guys to do that mistake. So I'm going to tell you guys how to. So you can see I'm at in Divinia Park right now. I cannot even speak. I'm at the fountain, and so in case you guys didn't know, the fountain, it gives you many things. It can like give you diamonds, it can like take your diamonds, or it can give you nothing, or XP. So in this case we want XP. So also one more thing, the fountain is like once the time for it is once in 2 hours. The spin the wheel in the login streak, the computer login streak in your apartment is 24 hours. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to the fountain. So it says close your eyes and listen to the fountain. So this is my story. You guys can read it if you like. What I'm going to do is, it's pretty much on luck. It's not like a specific answer. So I think I'm just gonna choose these forget me nots. Why not? And let's see what I got. The sea after choosing this one. Okay, you look out at the garden. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't know why, but whenever I get this story, I always choose forget me nots. I don't know why. I just like them. Maybe not. I just choose them because I choose them. There's no specific reason. Okay, let's see what it. Oh no, I lost diamonds. It's fine. I lost 43 diamonds. It's basically on luck. Sometimes you get diamonds, sometimes you get XP, sometimes like you get nothing. Okay, so the next thing you guys can see, I'm in my apartment right now, and my energy is like 0, so I'm going to sleep. Also guys, one more thing, the steps I'm telling you, like as I told you guys before, on average I level like 4 levels a day. So the thing is that if you do like these things once, like the steps I'm telling you guys, you have to do it multiple times. You cannot just do it once and you're gonna be like 4 levels ahead. That's not what's gonna happen. You're gonna need to use them like multiple times to actually level up. Otherwise it won't be as helpful. Okay, so you guys can see that I'm like almost at level 79. It's just a little bit left till I get to like 79. Just a little bit left to 78. What just happened, I don't know. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is, we're going to be going to Royal High, and not the new Royal High. We have to go to the classic campus, because I don't know if you guys knew that or not. The classic campus gives you XP, and that's what we need, and the new campus doesn't give you XP, so it's not as useful to go there. You can just go if you want to go, but I would recommend that if you guys go to the classic campus, Okay guys, so I'm at the classic campus now, and I have to say perfect timing because the classes are just about to start. And also, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, the classic campus has less lag and crash, so that's really nice. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go claim a locker. What just happened, I don't know. Oh, sorry, I accidentally pressed on somebody else's locker. Okay. Now I'm going to go and grab my books. Now what I'm doing, I'm like transferring my book from my locker to my backpack, because yeah, you need in case you guys didn't know, you also get like points. I don't know how to explain it, but you get something if you have the books. It's better if you get them. I like the baking book because I like the color of it, and the computer book, it's like nice and mint green, and the baking book is nice and magenta. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. You guys can see that I'm at level 78, and this person is at level 1:30. So after I claim the locker, I'm just going to wait for 6:30. I think so. Yeah. So then I'm going. So you guys can see that it's time for breakfast. It's 6 a.m. And one more thing. Okay. There's some mean people right here. Okay. Yeah. So you can also like check the schedule. Like you guys can see that 6 a.m. is breakfast, 7 a.m. art, chemistry, English, swimming, PE, lunch, music, and baking. So yeah. One more thing, guys. I would like to say I'm not going to be doing breakfast because I'm not sure, but I think you have to pay a few diamonds to get it. So like, I don't think I need it. I'm at music class, and I don't think anything happened at music class. You just sit here and while there's so much less people here. You pretty much just get an A plus, and I don't know what's happening. And you just get like XP for the book and stuff. So I don't have. School is over. It's like 3:30 p.m. and I'm almost on level 80. And the reason is why I didn't get on level 80 is because I got F in a few classes. Like I failed because yeah, I just failed. Okay, that's why I didn't get to 80. But if you're not like me, you can definitely get to 80. I promise that. I mean, it's gonna help you a lot on like to level up. Okay. But you have to sign up for the pageant. So as you can see, the pageant has begun, and even if you don't win, you still get 50 XP. And like you know, the step is to sleep, and by doing these steps that I said multiple times, you will be able to get to level 75 in 20 days or less. It pretty much depends on how much you play. Like if you're a person like me, like I play Adopt Me more, and I just play Royal High for like a few hours or something. I don't play 24/7. But if you're like a person who plays 24/7 every day, you know, is very particular about their login streaks and stuff like that, so you will be able to get it less than 20 days. But for me it took a whole month because, as I said before, when I joined Royal High, I literally had no clue what anything was. I didn't even know you could trade. I had no clue what a skirt was, or I didn't even know that you could actually like go to the store and shop. Like I was literally, you know, used to look the accessories in the free dress up section, and yeah, that is how much of a noob I was. And I don't want you guys to do that mistake. Okay, I'm at level 80 and I even got 300 diamonds. That's amazing. Okay, so I don't want you guys to do the same mistake. So I'll see you guys next time. Till then.